Now, let me share with you how to create an AI music video using CapCut on your phone. First of all, we need to choose and import your preferred music track into the app, as you can see here. First step, as you can see here, is to select and import your chosen music track into CapCut, making it the perfect background for your video. You can use any instrumental composition you have, whether from your library or selected from CapCut's own collection. In CapCut, as you can see here, we will create a stunning AI visual effect to enhance your music video, making it truly special. Create stunning visuals that beautifully complement the music, giving an artistic and captivating backdrop with cool effects. Now, to enhance our video, we need beautiful images. We can source stunning pictures that will elevate the entire project. Sit down and use ChatGPT, the most relevant option available for everyone. You can create a couple of unique and exciting projects with it that are truly exceptional. You can choose beautiful images, or if you prefer, select something like Jimmy, for variety and excitement too. You can actually create a couple of images for yourself there, as you can see here, making your project even better. If you don't like the image, go to CapCut, access AutoLS, and then enter AI Poster to explore your creative options here. You can comfortably enhance this image, making it look a bit better, as you can see now by adding more elements and creativity. Elaborate on what you want to add here. You've done well as you enter CapCut, creating something amazing. Now, as you enter CapCut, make sure you've uploaded your music. After that, you can start adding various effects to enhance your video, making it vibrant and captivating. For example, we can add stunning video effects, both before and after. Now let's include an exciting action intro, shall we? You can add bright elements to enhance the visual appeal. So in principle, I've covered everything you need to know to create an amazing video. Thank you all for watching. Wishing you good luck, and goodbye.